Hello everyone, let's look at what a list is and how to create a list and add or append new items to the list. In general, in Python, a list is a mutable, ordered collection of items. Mutable meaning that it can be changed after it has been created. It can contain elements of different data types such as integers, strings, or even other lists. Lists are defined using square brackets like how I have shown here, and elements are separated by commas. Lists are versatile data structures commonly used for storing and manipulating data. Here I have created a list called favorite foods and I have enclosed it within square brackets separated by commas, and since the values are a string, I have enclosed them inside double quotations, so it has chocolate and pulao. And then I have tried to add elements to the list. So we add elements using the append function. So I give the list name, which is favorite foods dot append, and then the name of the item I wish to append. Before that, let me print favorite foods and see what happens to the list. Okay, now I will just run my code. I have only two items now, chocolate and pulao. Now I am trying to append these three items, so I say name of the list dot append, favorite foods dot append pizza, favorite foods dot append sushi, favorite foods dot append ice cream, and then I give a statement to print the list again. Now you will see that the elements have been added. So you see the new list is containing the new elements. Along with chocolate and pulao, there is pizza, sushi and ice cream. So see how simple it is to create a list in Python. I hope you found this useful. Please like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you.